welcome back to another Species Spotlight. I'm Miss Nicole here at the start of the western loop in the garden, and today we're going to talk about the Royal Poinciana. So if you stay tuned with us, you might have realized 2 weeks ago we talked about the dwarf Poinciana. Now this is the much larger version. As you can see, here is a Royal Poinciana tree. They are actually the Key West city flowers, so I'm sure you would recognize it if you saw it. The flowers are orange, red, yellow, and white. And actually, even though it's the city flower, it's not a native species. This plant is actually from Madagascar. But the flowers are very beautiful and they look very tropical. But what's interesting about the flowers, they bloom in the spring and fall, just like the dwarf Poinciana. But they have a special characteristic called a claw petal. So the claw petal is actually one single petal on the whole flower that is a different color, and that helps attract pollinators. So I will insert a picture for you to see right here. So as you can see, this tree is very large. It can grow 35 to 40 feet tall, and then it can grow 40 to 60 feet across, and it creates almost like an umbrella type shape, like a hammock. And it can actually grow 5 feet per year, and that's because it produces certain growth hormones, which is very interesting because 5 feet per year for a tree is very fast. And it has these super long seed pods. So this seed pod was cracked open, the seeds were inside. The seed pod, as you can see, is about 1 to 2 feet long, and it is a legume, so it's in the pea family, just like the dwarf Poinciana is as well. And although they're not native, they're not totally considered invasive, but they're getting to that point because these spread very fast because they are such big seed pods. So thanks for joining us for another Species Spotlight. Don't forget to check out our Google Classroom at Keywest.garden/education to learn more.